Good morning, this is Tito Mike of Vegetable Gardening and More, and I hope you have seen and enjoyed our previous videos. And today, I'm going to show you how to propagate basil plants in two ways. Today, I'm going to show you two ways on how to propagate basil plants. One is from seeds and the other one is from stem cuttings. So come on! If you cannot go to the market to purchase new seeds, what you can do is to collect or harvest seeds from the mature basil plants, and I'll show you how to do it. So these are the seeds that we have harvested from the mature basil plants, and the seeds are these tiny little black seeds that we see here. These are ready to be planted. As you can see, I have already prepared a pot containing soil, and we are now ready to plant the seeds. So I will just scatter these tiny little seeds into the pot and distribute it evenly. The second method is by cutting a stem from the mature basil plants. So I'll show you how to do it. So you need to find a healthy and mature branch that will develop into another good basil plant. You can submerge these branches into a jar of water and wait for some roots to develop, or you can directly plant it on the soil like this. Don't forget to water them daily, but ensure that you do not overwater the plants by flooding the soil. Expect that these stem cuttings that we have planted on the soil will develop new sets of healthy leaves and tiny little branches after 3 to 4 weeks. So these basil plants are now 2 weeks old, and they look healthy, and a few weeks from now they are now ready to be cooked as part of our pesto salad.
basil leaves for my pesto pasta.
Our episode on how to grow or propagate basil plants. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from it. Thank you, and please subscribe on my channel.